Why are soldiers banned from using silencers? You see, video games make it look like a silencer turns a gun into a quiet little pew-pew. So it's just because the military doesn't want soldiers sneaking around silently, but that's not the real reason. A real suppressed rifle is still around 130 decibels, like your wife calling your name from the other room when she's already annoyed. And that's not even the biggest giveaway. Because the bullet is usually moving faster than sound, you can't suppress the sonic crack it makes ripping through the air. So why do soldiers actually use suppressors at all? It's not for the ears, it's for the eyes. A suppressor traps the massive fireball at the muzzle, so you don't blind yourself during a night raid.